GCD of two or more numbers. Before we start, I want to make an introduction about LCM. What is the LCM and what is the GCD? The LCM is the least common multiple. The GCD is the greatest common divisor. You will know or you will be taught in the coming slides. To know the LCM of a number, you have to, this is a title. Write the multiples of the two given numbers. First, we should write the multiples. What are the multiples? The multiples, let's say, of 2, we start from 0, are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. So, the multiples are these. Now, write the multiples of the two given numbers. We can find the LCM of two or more given numbers, okay? And the least repeated number in the both multiples of the two numbers given. We circle or we should deduce the least repeated numbers in both given numbers. In the multiples of the both numbers and the numbers that we should deduce the LCM of them. Then you will understand more when we solve some examples. Let's solve some examples. So, here it is. Then, let's solve the LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8. Let's write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4, 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Multiples of 8, 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. Now, which multiple is the least repeated multiple in 4 and in 8? Let's see. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32. Let's choose 16. Yes, 16 is a common multiple in both. But is 16 the least common multiple? No. So we start from this direction. From this side. 0, 4, 8, 0, 8, 6. Do we have any common number? Yes, we have 8. So 8 is the least common multiple. So the LCM of 4 and 8 equal 8. Did you understand the LCM? If no, write in the comments. It is easy. If no, I will explain it more in the coming videos. Let's now take another example. The multiples of 6. 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. The multiples of 12, 0, 12, 24, 36. These points mean etc. Okay? So, let's start from this side as we said. Never consider 0 a multiple, okay? You should write it, but never consider it as a common multiple. I mean by the both numbers. Never. Never take like the common multiple, the least common multiple of 6 and 12 is 0. Never. Okay? Don't consider 0 as a least common multiple. It is a multiple of this table of 6, but it's not considered as least common multiple. Let's see, 0, 6, 12, 0, 12. Is there any common here? Yes, 12 and 12. So the LCM of 6 and 12 equal 12. Okay guys, so hope you understand it. Let's now start with the GCD. The first step of solving the GCD is to put a big bracket. At the beginning of this bracket, you should put 1. At the end, you should put the number that you need, okay? Sorry guys, the number that you need, okay? So, and the same for the second number. Like, if you need the GCD of 6 and 18, put 1 and 18 at the end and put 1 and 16 at the end. Let's see how to solve it, okay? So now, you start from 2. You start from multiple 2. Is 18 or can 18 be divided by 2, or is 18 a multiple of table 2? Look at it. What are the multiples of 2? 0, 2, 4, etc. 14, 16, 18. So, is 18 a multiple of table 2? Yes, 18 is a multiple of table 2. So, what should you do? Let's see the second one. These slides are like, I'm showing or I'm telling you how to solve the examples quickly. So, and I will explain, of course, while solving the examples. So, yes, is 18 a multiple of table 2? Yes. So, where should we put 2? Here. And put a comma. Then, when you use the multiple, when you use 2, you should do 18 divided by 2 and put the answer beside the 18 from the left side. So, you should do 18 divided by 2. How should we get the answer? We say 2 times what equal 18? 2 times 9. Okay, let's erase these. Sorry, guys. Okay, so 2 times what equal 18? 2 times 9. We put comma and comma. You can use the multiple one time, of course. Then, you should now use a 3. We have 1, 2, 3. So, let's see 3. Is 3 or is 18 a multiple of table 3? Yes, it is. Then, what should you do? 18 divided by 3 18 divided by 3 equal. How can you get the answer? You say 3 times what equal 18? 3 times 6. Now let's try 4. Is 18 a multiple of table 4? No. Let's try 5. Is 18 a multiple of table 5? No. Let's try 6. Is 18 a multiple of table 6? Yes. But, please listen to this but when a number is repeated, that shows that the expression ends. So let's, when we want to use multiple 6, we should put it here. But we have already 6. Can we also put 6 another time? Can you repeat 6? No, which means that the expression ends, okay? So you only write here 3, 6, and 9. So this is the equation of 18. Let's solve now 6. 6, 1 and 6. Let's try 2. Is 6 a multiple of table 2? Yes. 6 divided by 2, here it is, 6 divided by 2, you say 2 times what equals 6? 2 times 3. Let's try 3. Is 6 a multiple of table 3? Yes, 6 is a multiple of table 3. But if we want to use a 3, it should be, sorry guys, I wrote 3 here. Yep, 3. But if we will use a 3 here, we will have 2 3s here. This and this. So, which means that 3 is repeated 2 times. Can we repeat 3 2 times? No, we can't. So, the expression ends. Now, let's see what is the GCD. As we said before, the GCD is the greatest common divisor. What is the greatest common divisor? One, I want to say a note. Never consider 1 as a greatest common divisor. Because 1 is never considered as a greater common divisor, okay? In case if they ask you what is the GCD of 1 and 1, okay? Or what is the GCD of 8 and 1? Okay, so let's try it. 1, 8 and 1, 1. 1 divided by 1? Nope, never. It will be 1. So let's solve it. Here it is. So what is the greatest common divisor between 18, which is here, and 1, which is 1? It is 1. So only in this case you consider it is a common divisor. But if you have two numbers which are not 1, you should do that step, okay? Okay guys, so, yep, 1, sorry guys, oops, yep. We have 1 and 1, never consider it. 2 and 2, we have a 3 and 3, and we have 6 and 6. They need the greatest. Which number is the greatest? 1 or 2 or 3 or 6? 6, yes. Then the GCD of 18 and 6 equal what? 6, okay?
Yes guys, and this was the lesson about GCD. Here it is the note. When the number is repeated 2 times, that means that the expression ends. Here I gave you an example. Let's solve it one more time.
So 2, then you say 2 times what equal 18? 9, then like that. 3 times what equal 18? It is 3, 6. Let's try 4, we can't. 5, we can't. 6, we can, but 6 is written, so we can't repeat it, which means that the expression ends.